Welcome. It is Friday. It has been a long day. A couple weeks ago we went to Dallas to see some friends and family, and my wife had a spa day scheduled for the next morning, but the spa canceled on us about 12 hours before the appointment, so very, very frustrating. Our cousin scrambled down there and found another lady that had a spa or something like that. Had a spa and got them in the next morning. So to say thank you for her kindness and making a room, my wife designed a sign, and we're gonna ship it down there tomorrow. So the spa lady is from South Africa, so the sign is South African style, elephants, giraffes, and my wife designed it, my wife programmed it, I just loaded it on the machine and carved it and finished it, so that was all my wife, and came out very, very nice. Love it. So here's how I made the sign, or how we programmed it and how we made the sign. Enjoy. Take two. Well, that was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe for more content coming up soon. On another note, I did redo my roof of my shop this past week. I did the first half, and next week I will tear down the old shingles on the other side, and we'll redo the other side as well. That was a lot of work, so my time-lapse did mess up on the extra shingle work, but I did get some good time-lapse of the laying down the felt underneath the shingle, so take a look at this. Yeah, that was a lot of work. It took me all day to do just one side, one half, but it's well worth it. Stay tuned for more videos coming up, probably in a week or so. Next week I have to make 78 signs for Travis Air Force Base, so that will keep me occupied all week, but I will try to sneak a video in if I can. Till then, you guys take care. Peace.